Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about an internship that I found on Handshake. It was super easy. I just searched supply chain management in Chicago and found quite a lot of internships. The most interesting one, however, is this summer internship with Dynamic Manufacturing, located right here in Chicago, which is one of my requirements. It is a full-time internship, so the fact that it takes place during the summer is really beneficial. Also, it is $15 an hour, which is definitely a bonus. Next, so what really caught my eye was Joel. In this first introductory paragraph / summary, you really get that he is passionate about what he does. He's passionate about the company, and I feel like I could definitely learn a lot from him. He seems very knowledgeable and hands-on. Next. This is a full-time internship, so the fact that they are willing to work around my school schedule, because the internship does start at the end of our spring quarter, is definitely a bonus, because I wouldn't be able to juggle both at the same time if they weren't willing to be flexible. Also, another benefit is that many interns have gone on to become full-time employees with this company, so there's opportunity for employment. One of the requirements is that you are enrolled in a supply chain degree program, which I am, and one of the benefits is gaining experience in purchasing, inventory, job site material management, and logistics, which are all things that I look forward to learning and will be really beneficial for my career. So the purpose of this internship is to gain experience that you can actually use in the real world. So whatever you learn in the classroom, you'll be able to apply here. And also what I really like is that you have the opportunity to work independently and as part of a team, which is one of the reasons why I decided to major in supply chain management, was the versatility of it. Next, we have some duties and responsibilities. And after reading these, I feel like this internship is a great fit for me, because these are all things that I really would love to learn before graduating, just so I have some experience, such as inventory management, support the purchasing department and project managers, researching prices on different materials. And then some of the requirements are that you be supply chain management major, which I am, and completed at least 1 year of study, check. I do have quite a lot of experience with Microsoft Office, but one of my concerns is that I do not have any knowledge in material procurement. Although it is not a requirement, it is a bonus. I'm a little concerned that I don't have any knowledge on that topic, but computer skills, I am definitely proficient in that area, and I love working independently and part of a team, which is really great. So some questions that I have would just be other experiences that interns have had in the past. I looked at the reviews and they all have been great. They are very short though, and I would love to learn the finer details of the internship before applying. And I could easily do that by contacting these current and former DePaul students. But other than that, I think that this internship would be a really great fit for me. I was surprised though, because it is in the automotive field, which is not something that I usually be interested in, but all of the experience and knowledge that I would gain from this internship is just really relevant to my career, and it seems like it could serve me well in the future. So yeah.